Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by laying out the essentials: a crafting table, chest for output, hopper feeding a dropper, and the redstone components close by. Place the comparator behind the chest to detect items, then run redstone dust to the dropper. This is how signals flow. Once done, add a repeater to adjust timing and use a 1/2 slab to prevent item pickup where needed. Make sure to orient the hopper into the chest so items move smoothly. This is the first actionable wiring step you must complete now. Now you build the crafting matrix and control logic that places items into the 3x3 crafting grid automatically. Position droppers or dispensers so they push items into the matrix, and use observers to detect container changes and emit pulses. Once observers are placed, tune repeater delays to ensure items land in the correct slots before the crafting action. Make sure hoppers feeding the matrix are locked or unlocked by comparator signals to control transfer rates. Finish by connecting the final dropper output to the collection chest and powering the clock or trigger you chose. You should run several test cycles with the exact recipe ingredients to confirm the crafter assembles and transfers items correctly. If it fails, first inspect hopper orientations and comparator lock states, then tweak repeater ticks or move an observer one block to fix timing mismatches. If items clog, temporarily pause the clock and clear the matrix. This one troubleshooting tip fixes most build issues quickly and cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.